Hello, my name is Robert Smallshear. Welcome to the third module of the Python Fundamentalization or Modularity of Python programs. Modularity is an important property for anything but trivial software systems, as it gives us the power to make self-contained, reusable pieces which can be combined in new ways to solve different problems. As with most programming languages, the most fine-grained modularization facility is the definition of reusable functions. Collections of related functions are typically grouped into source code files called modules. Modules can be used from other modules, so long as we take care not to introduce a circular dependency. As we've seen already, we can import modules into the REPL, and we'll show you how modules can be executed directly as programs or scripts. Along the way, we'll investigate the Python execution model to ensure you have a good understanding of exactly when code is evaluated and executed. We'll round off by showing you how to use command line arguments to get basic configuration data into your program and make your program executable. To illustrate this module, we'll be taking the code snippet for retrieving words from a web-hosted text document we developed at the end of the previous session and organizing it into a fully fledged Python module.